The Voice of the People Party today said that the party had decided to expel 3 of its leaders since they wanted to ensure that there should be discipline in the party. The party recently suspended 3 of its leaders, Avner Pariat, Shanlam Wadri and Kerup Singh Thaba. Both Pariat and Wadri had contested the 2023 Assembly polls from the VPP. While speaking to reporters, VPP spokesperson Butskem Mirbor said that any party or organization cannot function if there is no discipline within its organizational setup. He also said that they expect each and every member to subscribe to the party ideology and its principles. Mirbor said that the decision of the party to expel the 3 members was not as sudden, as they had deliberated on this for quite some time.
He didn't subscribe to the principles of the party, but he even subscribe to the process come to the party. The Henry gave a nearly he don't get to Kane, Ekbanila and action. Kalomba Yaka ideology of the party, Yaka principles of the party, but Yaka discipline of the party. Give follow.
The State Food Test